Hey explorers, I'm Wayfarer Will, and today we're traveling to Japan. Japan is an island country in the Pacific Ocean. The capital city is Tokyo, and the flag is a red circle on a white background. Let's find Japan on the map. Every map we use will always show north, south, east, and west, so our brains can start building strong direction skills. So grab your backpack, and let's explore. Let's ask Sally how Japan's land formed mountains and volcanoes.
Hey explorers, I'm Sally, and science is how we figure things out. Japan's mountains formed because the land beneath it is always moving. Huge pieces of earth slowly push together, and volcanoes build land upward. That's why Japan has tall mountains, hot springs, and active volcanoes.
Let's ask Mark what is unique about Japan.
Hey explorers, it's Mark. I'm here to help you understand the land and what's under it.
Japan is made up of over 14,000 individual islands, but most people live on just a few of them. Near the center of the country is Mount Fuji, Japan's tallest mountain, rising over 12,000 feet high. Japan's islands and mountains shape how people live and travel every day.
What type of animals live in Japan? Let's ask Leo.
Hi, I'm Leo, and I explore animals and their habitats.
Japan's mountains are home to many animals. One famous animal is the Japanese macaque, also known as the snow monkey. In winter, they stay warm by soaking in natural hot springs. It's like a little monkey spa. Forests and mountains give animals food, shelter, and safe places to live.
I wonder if their food is different. I bet Ben would know.
Aloha, everyone. I'm Ben. Let's find out what people eat and why they eat it. In Japan, rice is eaten at almost every meal. It's the main food on the plate. Japan is surrounded by ocean, so people also eat a lot of fish. Fish can be fresh, cooked, or even raw, like in sushi. Rice gives energy. Fish gives protein. When you live on islands near the sea, these foods are easy to find, so they become part of everyday life.
How do people get across Japan? Let's ask Aisha.
Hey explorers, I'm Aisha, and engineering is how we design and build things, from houses to bridges. Japan's bullet trains are designed to travel very fast while staying safe and smooth. Engineers use strong materials, careful measurements, and special designs to move people quickly through mountains and cities. Good engineering solves real-world problems.
Hey Namoy, what kind of cool history does Japan have?
Hello, I'm Namoy. I share the stories, traditions, and values people carry through time. Long ago, samurai were warriors who followed strict rules about honor and discipline. Today, Japan still remembers that history through stories, festivals, and traditions. The past continues to shape how people see respect and responsibility.
Ava, how does math help us understand distances?
Hey, I'm Ava, and math helps us solve problems in lots of different ways. In Japan, math helps people measure distance, speed, and time. Japan's bullet trains can travel about 200 miles in 1 hour. Here's a quick math problem. If the train travels for 2 hours, how far does it go? That's right, 400 miles. Math helps people know how far they'll travel and when they'll arrive.
And that's what we discovered today. From snowy mountains and hot springs to fast trains and ancient stories, Japan is shaped by its land and its people. That's what makes Japan so diverse. So grab your backpack and keep your map handy. Remember that every country has a story waiting to be explored.